Okay then, year 3, lesson 14. Last bit of halving and doubling before we move on to something else tomorrow. All right, so let's nail it today. I've given us a quick example with an amount of money which might at first appear quite challenging, but it's really not if we follow the points that we've been following all week, the steps to success. So I'm asking you to halve and double £13.58. And you can see here, I've already partitioned my amount of money into £10, which would be here, £3 here, 50p here, and 8p here. So I'm going to halve each of those amounts. So if I halve £10, I get £5. If I halve £3, I get £1.50. And remember, if you don't know how to halve £3, we'll split it into £1 and then whatever's left, which would be £2. And then if you halve both of those amounts, 50p and £1, and add them together, then you get £1.50. So remember, if there's something you don't know how to halve, break it down again. Next one I need to halve is 50p, and I get 25p. Remember, I'm putting them in the right columns here, which is going to help me when I add them up. And then the last one, half of 8p, is 4p. And again, it's really, really important. I'm even going to put my zeros here for £5 and my zeros here for the pounds in my pence. So you can see now I've got £5, £1.50, 25p and 4p. All I need to do now is add those four amounts together. And I get £6.79. So that means half of £13.58 is £6.79. And I could double check it by adding that amount together twice. And it should come, shouldn't it, to £13.58p. And phew, it does. Right, next thing, I need to double again. I'm going to use my partitioning method, and I'm going to use this here again. And all I need to do is double each of these amounts now. So double 10 is £20. Double 3 is £6. Again, I'm putting them in the right columns. Double 50p is £1. I'm going to do that. I'll do it for all of them, just to show you. And then double 8p is 16p. So that's £0, 16 pence. So now all I need to do is add those up. And I get £27 and 16p. Okay, so now it's your turn. So there's 5 problems that I've asked you to halve and 5 problems that I've asked you to double using this partitioning method. So this bit here, I'll put it in red so you can see it again. This bit here is the most important bit, that you partition the amount that you're working with correctly. And then remember to put the numbers in the right columns, like this and like this, to make sure when you're adding them up, you get the right amount. So you're going to pause now, work out your answers for your halving and your doubling, and press play when you want me to go through the answers, please. Okay, fab. So we'll go with the halving first. So the first one, you should have halved that to get £2.29. Next one is £1.55. Next one is £4 3p. Next one is £7.52. And the next one is, there's the hardest one, £11.96. Well done if you got all those right. And now we're doubling. Most people prefer to, or find it easier, I should say, to double than halve. Not sure if you do. Why not let me know? Leave a comment. Doubling, the first answer gives us £7.74. Next one is £25 and 20p. Next one is £34 4p. I is £19.98. And the last one is £14.74p. Well done if you got all those right. So we're going to move on to something else tomorrow. Well done for using that method when halving and doubling.